Global Clinical Services team from Paseo Site. And I believe in the saying that life is tough, but you must be tougher. Thank you.
And I'm representing Cognizant Paseo Global Clinical Services.
Our next pair, may we call on Mr. and Miss McKinley.
Hi, I'm Kirk Rivera, AT&T representing McKinley.
Our last pair, Mr. and Miss Cognizant Handsome.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zubi Wabe, 28 years old from ING, and I'm proud to represent Handsome!
Hi, my name is Christopher Dwayne Poole from Computershare, and I represent Handsome Site.